Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to fix Bluetooth not connecting on ULEFONE Armor X12. So first, go into the quick settings and disable Bluetooth and enable it again. Then go into the Bluetooth settings, click on the gear next to your connected device, and click Forget and forget this device. Now, click Pair New Device, click on your device and wait for it to connect. Yes, pair. And now, if it's still not working, then try to restart your phone and the Bluetooth device and update the software. So go into the settings, search, update, system updates, and check for updates. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.